I do not know if this is a good idea to post, but fuck it, I'm doing it anyways. Basically, this was going to be just some personal recording of mine, but I'm just choosing to put it to YouTube now. It was a CAE that I got on KCBS back in November of 2021 during I think it was Veterans Day weekend, if I remember correctly, on a Saturday. Yeah, but I was kind of worried that I would have been viewed as, like, insensitive if I didn't freaking react badly about it, so I'm sorry, this sounds like bullshit, I know, but basically, like, I would keep saying, try to be like, oh crap, like, oh fuck, oh shit, like, just too much, so the reaction was kind of over exaggerated. But I did care for the child situation, though. Like, I wanted the child to be safe, of course, but I just didn't know how to react during the recording, so yeah. But anyways, here's the recording, I guess, so yeah.
Oh, fuck. Damn it. Oh, fuck. On November 12th, 2021, at approximately 4:49 p.m., 3-year-old Leo Norfeld was abducted from Sacramento, California. Leo is a 3-year-old white male, standing 3 feet tall and weighing 35 pounds. He has brown hair. Oh, fuck! 5'10" inches tall, he weighs 180 pounds. He has brown hair, brown eyes, and a tattoo over his right eye. Shit! Police say that Joshua Gago should be considered armed and dangerous. The suspected vehicle involved in the kidnapping is a 2011 BMW 328i, color gray with the license plate 6NTU367. Anyone who spots either the 3-year-old Leo Norfeld, 30-year-old Joshua Gago, or the gray BMW is advised to call 911 immediately. This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system.